Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing my nails. This is a full week's refill. As you can see, out of my equipment that I'm using today, I ordered from Shien and Temu. So in case you guys are wondering, so first I'm doing is using the magic gel remover to remove those extra gel from my nails. And this gel remover is very good. I was a little bit skeptic on using it, but as I applied to my nails and let it sit for a while, I could see that it started bubbling up, and that is how it works. So after it bubbles up, then it's easy to remove the nails because it makes the gel very soft. So you guys, I let it sit for like 10 minutes before I could scrape it off. I won't be adding the link here, but if you go on Temu or on Shien and search gel remover, you guys will see that they have various options there to order. So anyway, also the gel remover is not a one-time apply. Like you can apply it several times, um, as much as you want, so that your gel can come out easily without destroying your nails. So you can apply like more than one layer. After you apply your first layer, you let it sit for a while. When you scrape it off, you can apply more layers after that. It's up to you. So I am using the tip nails. I already apply it, as you can see. I cut it to the length that I want. So I won't be doing a very long nails. I just want something medium size. Not to make this video very long, I already cleaned my nails and filed them down and filed the nail extensions because I just wanted to look natural looking. I did do my cuticles as well. I will go in and apply my nail hydrator. This is to keep your nails hydrated while the gel is on. And also my nail primer. This is to help the gel stay on as long so that, yeah, your nails can last longer. The gel I'm using is from Temu as well, and the gel is pretty good. I love the way that it came out when I applied it on my nails. So I did allow my nails to stay in the UV lamp for a minute to get a good dry before removing it. So this is what the gel looks like, you guys, when applied to the nails and the nails extensions. I love the color, and I will just continue that process on the rest of my nails. So you guys, hope this video is helpful. This video is made for new beginners, and don't forget to like and subscribe. When applying your gel to your nails, make sure you have some gel at the ends and make sure to clean around the area because you don't want excess gel all over your skin. So yes, you guys should be mindful of that. Anyways, this is what the second layer of gel looks like. So I will go in and file it. That's my nail cleaner. I will apply some over the nails after I file it. And yes, you guys, this is the finished look of my nails. I didn't show the whole process of it, but I went in for a French manicure, as you can see. And also I applied that nail cuticle oil. Smells so good. And yeah, that is it. Why spend hundreds of dollars at a nail salon when I can just do this at home? So you guys, I'm really pleased and happy with the result anyways. I hope you guys love the finished look. Don't forget to leave your comments below, you guys, and recommend this video to a friend of a friend, of course. And yes, until next time, stay blessed and enjoy your day. Thanks for watching.